been a while. I visited Connecticut recently and decided to take a week off to gain some new inspiration. I am now fully charged and I'm back. You guys already know that I don't go out much, but the weather in New York City has been so good, especially considering how it's November. I couldn't resist and decided to take a walk to Central Park, and I'll admit it wasn't a short walk, but it was a nice view and good exercise. I haven't been to Central Park in a really long time, so when I walked through, I passed by the Central Park Zoo. Did you guys catch the seal? I did get there a bit before sunset, so it wasn't that bright, but it was still warm and the park was beautiful. I sat on a bench and enjoyed some live music for a bit and got to see this guy try to entertain his girlfriend, and I thought it was quite sweet. By the time I was heading home, the sun was setting, so I got a bunch of sunset shots. Do you guys hear the people cheering in the back? It's because of the election results. I love it when the sky turns this really pretty pink, and there was even some streaks in the sky, which I thought was pretty cool. The weather just kept getting better through the beginning of the week, so I ended up meeting up with some of my old coworkers at Soho, and it was super fun just catching up and talking. We hung out at this boba place, and it was pretty good. I've been getting a lot of packages, which means a lot of boxes for Henry to play with.
I'll do it first.
Okay.
No, do it.
What?
I'll do it for you.
Okay.
Press record.
It is recording.
Hey y'all, it's your girl.
I recently have been wanting to get back to talking to the camera, so I attempted to film a Get Ready With Me, but to be honest, it just turned out so bad. So I gave up midway, and you'll see where it started to go downhill. I've been meaning to go to MoMA PS1 for a while, so Eric and I decided to go and see if there were any interesting exhibitions. I love how the lobby has all this concrete and just these little moments of glass that allow light, and I thought that was very pretty. In the outdoor space, they had an installation by Rashid Johnson called Stage.
It's so bright. That's so cool. Oh look, there's one down there.
Oh, hit him up. Okay, it's a baby one. It's good.
Marking Time, Art in the Age of Mass Incarceration was the main exhibition.
Why did all the real ones go? Why is my night so slow?
It has artwork done by people who are currently incarcerated or previously have been, and it was really interesting to see how people use art as an outlet to express the time, space, and experiences being in prison.
Cause I ain't gon' pay no toll. Money can't kill my pain, but no, it keeps my dream alive. Honey be all I dream these days because my health declines. Running nose doing laps around them cause it's do or die. It's do or die. Now I keep on driving perfect circles. Wonder if it's worth it. Always getting hurt and I keep on driving perfect circles. Wonder what's the purpose. I'm coming back to earth. Yeah. My regrets are texts I couldn't send to you. Close my eyes and
After the
pretend
museum,
like there's
we headed over to
nothing
Brooklyn to run some
Been
errands.
leaning on you, been dreaming on you. I thought I knew you. This tunnel vision is all I witness. Know you've been through it. Please
Hey y'all, it's your girl, it's me, it's your girl, it's Haejin. Today we went to Brooklyn and we went to Williamsburg and now we got Van Leeuwen.
What flavor did I get?
You got mint, I got mint chocolate chip on a sugar cone.
And you got
And Eric got pumpkin
cheesecake.
cheesecake
Cheesecake.
on a waffle
On a waffle
cone.
cone.
What a dumbass. Okay.
Yeah.
Yummy.
He's lactose.
Cheers.
Cheers. I don't know how to ride a bike though.
I've been wanting to ride a bike through Central Park for years, and I finally got to do it with Eric, and it was so much fun. The leaves were all changing and the views were amazing. I would do it again for sure since I need to practice riding a bike.
When you got your hands in mine, you've been on my mind lately. I tell you all the time, baby, you make me feel fine.
I ended my week with some quality time with my friend, and I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!